In this video, we're going to walk through creating filters inside of your personal tasks. So here you have your My Tasks in Slingshot, where you're able to see assigned tasks, which would be anything in Slingshot that is assigned to you. So for example, if I come into this design sprint and I assign myself to some of these tasks, or in growth hacking, if I just flip to list view really quick, and I also assign myself to some of these tasks, and I come back to my tasks, you will see that they appeared up here within my assigned tasks. So a really nice way to be able to see anything that's assigned to you regardless of where it lives inside a Slingshot. Within your lists, you also have a way to create your own personal tasks. So if here I wanted to create a task for, let's say, my 2024 goals just for myself, I can do that. I can make sure that it's assigned to myself, and I can give it a date. The tasks in here are basically things that I don't want to put in a workspace or a project, but I can also assign people external to myself into some of these tasks, and then they would get access just to that particular task. But you can also create filters in here. So you have two filters out of the box: your weekly priorities, and I love to look at my weekly priorities by Kanban view. And this is anything that is assigned to you that needs to start this week, is due this week, or is overdue. So it gives you a really nice idea of your workload for the entire week. Overdue would show you anything that's overdue for yourself. And then you can create filters. So if I come here to create a filter, I can create things like maybe anything that is assigned to me has a due date of, let's say, this week and is not complete. So it's either to do, in progress, in review, or blocked. Then I can come here and give it a name, and I can say due this week, not done yet. And now you have the ability to create different views based on what it is that you wanted to see. You can also just do things like, hey, I just want to see anything that's just assigned to myself regardless of anything else. And I want to be able to look at that in a calendar. So I can see my full calendar, and I can see it just by due date. And that way I can see anything that I've completed. Let's say I've completed these goals now, and they were maybe due tomorrow, and I can get a really nice view now of all of the tasks that are assigned to me and what their status is throughout my calendar year, so I can best set my resources and get done what I have to get done when it needs to be done. And that's how you can use filters in your My Tasks section.